Hello viewers, welcome to the first video of our Kotlin tutorial series. Today's video we'll be exploring how to create variables in Kotlin. So first thing first, what are variables? Variables are like containers that store data in the computer's memory, right? So in Kotlin, there are two ways of going about declaring a variable. One is by using the keyword var, followed by the name of the variable, let's say name, and you'll when you say equal sign, so you can assign a value, and let's assign it the value Ricardo. And the second way of declaring a variable is by using the keyword var, and the same procedure. You write the variable name. In this case, let's go with day and set it equal to Sunday. What are the difference between val? So the main difference is that whenever you're going to declare a variable that you know that the value won't change, you use the keyword val. And when you know that the keyword will change, you use the keyword var. So in this case, we expect the day to change, so we use the keyword var, and we don't expect our name to change anytime soon. Now, in order to see this value, use the keyword print. And let's run it. And there it is, the value of name printed to the screen. Now let's output day as well. Now as you see, both are in the same line, and that's not ideally what we would like to see. And that's because we use print. And the difference between print and print line is that when you use the print keyword, you do not get a new line, hence the name print line, which adds a new line. So let's change that to print line. And there is our desired output, both variables being printed on separate line. Now, when declaring variables, there are things called data type, and variables are of type string. Reason being, both are wrapped in double quotes, and that's how you specify the data type string. And in order to tell the compiler that this is a string, you would pass a colon followed by the data type, which is string, right? If you hover over name, you see val name string. That's the data type, right? So why didn't we specify it earlier? And the reason why we didn't specify the data type earlier is because Kotlin by default can detect which data type we're using. So if you hover this data type, it says explicitly given type is redundant. It's saying that hey, we know what data type it is already, so no need to specify. So in the next tutorial, we'll dive more deeper into the various other data types. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future videos.